Kelly from Cards by Christine here with you on a Technique Thursday to show off my beautiful new necklace. No, just kidding, but I do want to show this off. I promoted to Bronze Elite on Chris's Be Happy Stampers team, so I got my beautiful little necklace recognition from her. But in all honesty, I'm here with you on a Technique Thursday to share with you the Windowpane technique, which you could also call the zoom screen technique, or let's see, the Brady Bunch technique, whatever you want to call it. But I made myself this beautiful Mother's Day card because I know I don't get that kind of stuff from my hubby, which is fine. But this Mother's Day card is going to be for me, and it's me with my little baby Zachy. Okay, with my toddler Zachy and my little baby Jacob, and so I kind of designed it that way. Obviously could be for anyone with not quite as much symbolism, but that's why I laid it out that way. And it's got the look of a window pane, and that's why we called it that. So I'm gonna bring in all of my goodies to help walk you through how to make this. A lot of it is pre-done per se, because I have none of this type of stuff, the coloring, the stamping, the die cutting, do you need to necessarily see how to do per se. It's just the technique itself that I kind of want to show off. So I'm gonna walk through putting it together with you, and we're gonna have a beautiful card when we're all said and done. So how I did this was I want my card to be as straight as possible. So you could use ribbon, or I'm using folded over washi tape, and I'm gonna kind of lay out my pieces on here. I wanted everyone to be looking in, and that's kind of how I laid it out. So let's see here. I want these to go roughly here and here. So I'm pulling in my grid paper, and I'm going to lay out. No, it's not perfectly centered for you because I'm trying to use the bottom piece here. So I want to put that layer on there, and then I'm going to do my vertical one. I guess, sorry, this takes some thinking, which is not easy to do when you're talking. Okay, so we're going to go like that, and like that. Now you have your window pane grid per se. And all you need to do is take, I already put everything away, so I can't even show it off to you. So I used the Happy Mother's Day on this square from the Wrapped Bouquet stamp set. And then the focus here is on the beautiful Kangaroo and Company. I love this set. It's been so easy to create with. It's just, I don't typically go for the like cartoony animal sets, and maybe it's because I'm a mom and like I can just relate to the kangaroo. I don't know, but I think it's so cute and fun that I've made a couple really fun things with it. So now with your paper gridded out, I should say, with your card base gridded out with these pieces of washi tape or ribbon or whatever you use, it's really easy to stick down your pieces without needing to eyeball it. You can stick them down and know that you've got what you need placed where you need it to be. Okay. Then you just lift up your guides And voila, all you gotta do then is stick on your kangaroo with some dimensionals. Using about 4 to stick her down. Okay, I'm gonna trim off her tail with my paper scissors. Poor tail. I'm sorry. And then I'm just gonna stick down a little bow with some glue dots. And I rediscovered, I knew I loved these, but does this happen to you where you get so wrapped up in the new catalog that you sometimes forget about the old catalog? It happens, I know. So I dug into my gem collection and rediscovered, I love, love, love these beautiful, elegant, faceted gems. So I took the, there's clear, there's petal pink, and then there's these beautiful, like, kind of, I know there's opal in the new, but it's kind of opalescence, glittery, I don't know. I don't know exactly how to describe these, but they're so, so pretty. And I thought that would be a nice way to snazz it up a little bit, trim the tails. Ah, no, come back here. Sorry, I know I'm covering up beauty film. There we go. And there's my Brady Bunch. What do you think? I just, man, these kangaroos, they speak to me. What can I say? And I'm getting really excited. This is my first, no, it'll be my second Mother's Day with 2 kiddos. So I know we're a little ahead of the game here. Mother's Day isn't probably until, what is it, May? But, oh man, I loved it. So now, and honestly, I've got, my mom has my brother and myself. So I just think these are so cute. And I can tell you a little more about how I colored them if you'd like. We've got Highland Heather dark, we've got light Granny Apple Green, we've got light Melon Mambo, and then the yellow is Mango Melody Light is what I did for the coloring. So I hope you have a great Technique Thursday. The weekend is in sight. It's looking up from here, right? We just got to make it through a feel-good Friday, and we're weekend bound. So I hope you enjoyed these beautiful window card technique cards. I think they're fun. I have really bright light here. Anyways, so sunshine, love, and hugs from the beautiful hive here in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, and I hope you have a great weekend and get some cards made, because that's what I plan on doing. So